This is how I changed my 1978 Malibu's attitude. This is what it sounded like before. It sounded like a grandpa mobile. You know we had to change that up, make it a little more sporty. You know I had to take that 2-inch exhaust off. We need performance around here. We needed to see what this thing will sound like with open headers. To make it sound better, I bought the cheapest X-pipe on eBay and some stainless steel pipe. This is how I made this car sound like the beast it is today. Here's me mocking up some tubing. Now I'm making some angles. Here's the driver's side all tacked up, ready to get welded. Since the driver's side's all welded up, time to get the passenger side mocked up. Both sides welded together, and this is what it looked like before I put the tips on. Now I'm mocking up the tips, and this is exactly where I want it to be. Once it's close to the frame, I think it'll look way better. Damn, this thing looks nice. Look at that. Right there where I want it. Close to the frame, and it looks mean. Can't wait to hear what this thing's gonna sound like.